Alejandro J. Santos Baltazar.
And I am John Russell Exaway Arador.
Today we will be your host and we will be interviewing 3 experts
To answer a question that they will pick and then answer. Let me introduce 3 experts. The first one is
I'm Noreen Manalili. My name is Jaya Santos. I'm Angelica.
Okay, let's proceed to question and answer. First question. What are the main cities of the Mayan civilization?
So, some of the main city of Mayan is Tikal, Chichen Itza, and Calakmul, Palenque.
second question. In what fields did the Mayan civilization contribute significantly?
They contributed like a hub or yung calendar. And second is mathematics. Sila rin yung nag-invento ng zero. And 1 to 20. Tapos, writing, agriculture. Magaling sila sa mga yung monument, mga monument skulls.
Third question. What is unique about the Mayan mathematics system?
They invented the concept of zero and used base 20 numbering system.
Question number 4. What are the characteristics of the Mayan calendar system?
They use Sok-in and the Long-Ong calendar for historical records.
And the fifth question. Jelly. What are the agricultural technologies of the Maya?
They use advanced techniques such as slash and burn farming and artificial chemicals.
And the last question is, what legacies did the Mayan civilization leave to humanity?
The Mayan gave a legacy in human history, especially in the field of astronomy, mathematics, and culture.
And that's all for our podcast. Thank you.